D3adly floods push into Missouri, more states in rain-soaked U.S. Midwest. Video by the Associated Press. Kansas City, MO, March 22. Reuters. Frigid floodwaters pushing down the Missouri River left ruins, death, and drowned livestock in their wake across the U.S. Midwest's farmland, and were expected to crest in northwest Missouri early Friday, with more cities and towns under threat. Voluntary evacuations were advised in the small riverfront city of St. Joseph. Debris-laden river water is expected to rise by between 29 and 31 feet 8.8 and 9.4 meters, just 2 feet below the height of protective levees, officials said, as the waters then head toward Kansas City about 55 miles 88 kilometers south and more population centers in Kansas and Missouri downstream. The estimated crest height could quickly change just from a few degree differences in snow melt upstream, he said. The river could top just. Midwest daytime temperatures are already about 10 degrees Fahrenheit above normal, he said, and will hit as high as 60 in parts of the Midwest Friday, including St. Joseph and Kansas. Flooding of the Missouri River was triggered by last week's so-called bomb. Missouri Governor Mike Parson declared a state of emergency for his state Wednesday as high water forced evacuations of several small farm communities. The declaration allows state resources and assistance to be provided directly to counties and municipalities in need. U.S. President Donald Trump on Thursday approved a disaster declaration for Nebraska, making federal funding available in 9 counties there that bore the brunt of last week's floods. The threat of extensive flooding lingers over the wider region and could grow dire in coming weeks with additional rainfall and melting snow runoff, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration officials said on Thursday. Additional writing and reporting by Rich McKay in Atlanta, additional reporting by Brendan O'Brien in Milwaukee and Steve Gorman and Dan Whitcomb in Los Angeles, editing by William McLean.
Top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.